I wrote my brain with L1A assembly so much that I think like a CPU. I need more assembly to code with it. I don't want to die. Download Boost and look at that. I do not want to die. Boost is Medusa. C++ is like a cool joke for your friends. Hey, do you want to use C++? And I use C to control the assembly output. When I use C, I don't think about C as a language. I think C as high-level assembly. Rust and C++ hiding all of that from me. I can't even tell what vector is doing under the hood even if I run it over the compiler. I know C hide the memory allocations, but it doesn't hide anything else too much like Rust or C++. With the template and operator overloading in C++, you can't even tell what it looks like in assembly unless you wrote the code, because the assembly will turn into completely spaghetti with it. The only situation where OOP is good is dealing with fault sharing. I hear the cache line is typically 64 bytes, so you just pad it like this. Otherwise, use colon data based on single core instead of objects. C++ is like your narcissistic friend that beat around the bush to gaslight you. I feel like I am an imposter because how C++ insulted my intelligence. If you like C++ or OOP, you can get lost. Here, I got 3 code for you. C++ is a language strongly optimized for liars and people who go by guesswork and ignorance. It has been discovered that C++ provides a remarkable facility for concealing the trivial details of a program, such as where its bugs are. Can you see where the problem is? Well, it's not a bug. The reverse iterator slowed my code down. C++ is so shockingly good at hiding this problem, where C makes it clear as day. Even if the choice of C were to do nothing but keep the C++ programmers out, that in itself would be a huge reason to use C. You know what? I won't get fired because I am the project lead. No one will beat me. That's why it's in MIT and not GPL, so people can fork it and turn against me, and making me cry and quit at the same time. But I doubt they can beat me. There was one time. My ego got broke and the engine stopped developing for 6 days. I even dreamed someone torture and punish me with UINT 16 type. Do you know why Unity has 64,000 vertices limit? Because of UINT 16 type. I wish I wondering the keyword this. I'm sorry, I will never do this again. I saw race condition in there. I can't unsee it. I am terrified. That's why I use C instead of C++, because it will make race condition very easy to see for me. I know every program attempts to expand until it can read mail. Those programs which cannot so expand are replaced by the one which can. But when the day my software worked, Godot is doomed. Because I spent so much money on the ebook and courses to learn, just to beat Godot, and I did not get paid by anyone, so I am resourceful while beating Godot. The only thing that keeps me going is Kira, C, and GitHub stars. I can have the maximum fun when my beautiful companion cheers me up. I bet that ex-Googler is working on YouTube Premium. The only data structure that I know is array. If you want a free check-in, just look at the C section of coding style.